The Bloom token is really gaining a lot of momentum. Look at it right at this very point. You see, this very area is this very moving average, maintaining this level of support. A token on pre-market, and market is crashing all the way to the downside on Bitcoin, ETH, and many layer 1, layer 2 altcoins. But look at this pre-market coin. Market is not moving down, it's maintaining a lot of strength. What's the reason behind this very stability in the Bloom token? All of this in this very video. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you look at the price chart right here, it discovered that the market have been maintaining strength on Bloom. And this is very important if you want to really know a token that is going to do well when it hits major exchange on spot. It is from this pre-market and how the pre-market goes. That is how you know if the token is going to do well or not. For me personally, from what I am seeing on chain, Bloom have one of the best utility of all kind when it comes to the recent Web3 that we have seen in this very space. And if you look at the price chart right here, you discover that the market is maintaining strength. Bitcoin have crashed all the way from $108,000 all the way to $92,000. But Bloom is maintaining strength. The market just dropped a little bit yesterday, and right now market is coming back all the way to the upside. And if you look at this very moving average, which is the last moving average right here, is now acting as a critical support for the market to move all the way to the upside. So if you trade on pre-market, this is what you need to pay attention to right now, because I am looking at this very support to hold the market, and the market will go to move upward for the Bloom token. That means a creation of a new close and a new high is very, very possible on the Bloom token right now. And that is what you need to pay attention to. However, if the market come down and go below this very price, that means you should expect the market to just come back a little bit, and then we are going to see a sharp move all the way to the upside. What I mean is, if we see the market break below this very level of important support, which this very moving average is also supporting, the market come down, don't expect that move to go right down, okay? Market is going to just go down a little bit like a spike and then sharply move all the way to the upside. What I am trying to say is that you should always look at Bloom to do very, very well, okay? In as much as market is moving upward and we are in the bull market, market is still going to move all the way to the upside. So if you trade on pre-market, expect the market to still move upward on the Bloom token. And this is what I am expecting right now from what I am seeing on this technical data. And you have to keep your eye on this very data as well. And if we now see the market cross this very close on this very candle, then that means an aggressive pump in the price of Bloom is going to come in almost immediately. We break out on this very close right here. So pay attention to this. Is very, very important if you are on the Blum Airdrop. And one other thing that is also very important right here is, what do you think the price of this token is going to be with 100 billion total supply? So if we have 100 billion token as total supply, what do you think the price of this token is going to be? Because this is very, very important. Do you think we're going to get a 0.201 or 0.301 for this very token at listing? I want to see your price prediction in the comment section of this very video. Comment below right now. Do you think if we multiply 100 billion token, let's say for example, the total 100 billion is going to be in circulation, and you multiply that by the current market price, that is the pre-market price, you'll be having a $1 billion market capitalization. Can the Bloom team put in such liquidity? I don't think it's possible. They cannot put in this kind of liquidity for a new token. They will put in a little bit of liquidity, which is significant, and I think they will do very well, and market will begin to move upward, thereby increasing the market cap with time. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now. So don't expect this very price from the Bloom token is not going to happen all of a sudden. Markets can move up to this very point in the heat of the bull market, but within 24 and 48 hours of listing, don't expect this. And I want to see your price prediction in the comment section as well. And a 0.201, which is $100 million market cap, is my max that I am personally expecting from the Bloom team. So from 0.305, which is a $50 million, and a 0.201 is my range that I'm expecting this token to do. I so much believe in the project, and because it have a very significant utility, which is the Bloom memPad. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now, guys. Bring down your expectation. If you are expecting this token to do 0.101 with a $1 billion market capitalization, I am personally looking at 0.305 and 0.201 max for this very token within 24 hours and 48 hours of listing on the major exchange. And this is what I'm personally expecting right now on this very token. Yes, a very important update. MEMELANDIA $500,000 grant for Bloom. In less than 2 months, we have already claimed the top spot as the #1 meme coin loan pad on Ton and the second largest globally according to the daily transaction data. And this is very important. In fact, one of the reasons why the Bloom token is going to keep moving all the way to the upside is because these guys know what they are doing. They have a very incredible team. They also have a very good expertise. People that have the experience about the crypto market is right here. And that is also why I am taking my mining very, very seriously, because I believe in the heat of the bull market, this token is going to do very, very well. If you look at token like Uni and Cake, that is Uni for Uniswap and Cake for PancakeSwap, those tokens in the heat of the bull market is going to do very well as well. Not only that, if you get Bloom token right now from this very mining, it means a lot because the token is going to move all the way to the upside. If you read this message, you are the reason we are here. From launching tokens, trading, tapping, and calling us out when we mess up. And they are teams that can take accountability. That is one thing that I noticed about this team. And they also carry the community along. This is one of the reasons why I'm actually betting hard on this very Blum airdrop. It's going to do well, in my personal opinion. And I believe if you're on this very airdrop right now, take it seriously. Mind, play the drop game, do your daily tasks, all the videos, watch them, and ensure that your Bloom point is moving all the way to the upside. By doing so, when this token finally get that listing, I believe the first quarter of next year, it means that you will be in the position of getting a large quantity of a token that also is going to have a reasonable worth in the market, and that will put you in the position of making a huge return from this very airdrop. So take it very serious, guys. It's going to do well in the heat of the bull market, and this is my personal opinion for the Bloom token. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Also join our Telegram channel with a link in the description and also in the pinned comment. It is free. Check my video on altcoin season. And the reason why altcoins is very important is because you have to invest in this season strategically and know the exact time it's going to start. Watch this video right here. And if you want to watch my video on how to trade crypto from beginner to advanced, check this video right here. It's going to help you too. Thanks for supporting this channel.